Hey traders, what's up? This is Carl from daytradetowin.com. So this morning has been fantastic. At the open indicator showed us a sell signal at 29.42.25 in the morning during the US session open. This indicator is available for both NinjaTrader and Metatrader 4 and 5. And you can use it to trade, for example, the emini S&P 500 as you see in the chart right here. And you can also use it to trade the Forex market. For example, the New York, the London, Frankfurt, Tokyo and Sydney opens. And here you have the TradeScalper indicator applied to a range chart, and there were 7 trades during this morning session, and it produced 5 points and a quarter of profit. On the emini S&P 500, 1 point means $50 per contract traded. If you only trade one contract, like we recommend all beginners doing, that equals $262.50. And if you trade 10 contracts, that means $2,625. And then we have the TradeScalper applied to a 1-minute chart of the emini S&P 500. This produced a profit of 3 points, which means $150 per contract or $1,500 when you have more experience and you trade 10 contracts. So each of these trades produced a profit of 3 ticks. We use 3 tick profit target and 6 tick stop loss for the TradeScalper. Actually, there was another trade here. It was a little bit hidden below here. So that gives us a total of 3 points and 3 quarters or 1,625. That's pretty good. And if we sum up both the charts, as these give us different signals, you would have made more than 2,750 on only 10 contracts traded. That's not bad. These trading strategies are available on our website. You can give us a call on 1-888-607-0008 if you want to know more, or just go to daytradetowin.com and you can get your hands on these great indicators. Thank you for watching. We have a whole bunch of videos available on our YouTube channel, and we're producing more videos for you to watch every week, like live day trading, educational videos and more. So please subscribe by clicking the button below in the bottom right corner of this video. Please give us a thumbs up for encouragement, and always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the comments below. And remember to visit daytradetowin.com.